Is your Windows 11 PC running low on disk space or feeling sluggish? In this video, it'll show you how to delete and clear all temporary files on Windows 11 in just a few minutes, completely free and without third-party software. Let's get started. First, let's use the built-in Storage Sense feature to remove unnecessary files automatically. Click on Start. Settings. Click on System. Click Storage. Under Temporary Files, check the options for Recycle Bin, Temporary Files, and Delivery Optimization Files. After that, click Remove Files and let Windows do the cleaning. Next, let's delete temp files manually. Press Win+R on your keyboard. Type %temp% and hit Enter. Select all files and delete them. Again, press Win+R. Type temp in the run box. Press Enter. Select all these files and then delete all. Press Win+R to open the run box again. Now type in prefetch and then hit Enter. Another great method is using the disk cleanup tool. Click Start, and then type Disk Cleanup. Click to open it. Select Cleanup System Files, and then click OK. Check all unnecessary files and click OK to free up even more space. Lastly, want Windows to do this automatically? Go to Settings. Click System. Select Storage. Then turn on Storage Sense. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your temporary files and freed up disk space on Windows 11. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Windows tips. Let me know in the comments if you need help.